The channel understands that most of you are not interested in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. However, we cover the subject because we report on exotic currencies, and believe it or not, Bitcoin, in many circles, is considered to be an exotic investment. The breaking news is Bitcoin hits a milestone: $100,000. The price of a single Bitcoin rose to six figures for the first time, an extraordinary level for a 16-year-old cryptocurrency once dismissed as a sideshow. The channel owns IQD, Gold, Bitcoin, and Acorns for stocks and ETFs. It is recommended that you invest in the currency investment that suits you best. Sandy, the publisher of the eDo Matrix channel, does not respect crypto as a real currency. Yet when the public says that Bitcoin is worth $100,000 to one coin, she accepts their perceived value as truth. She immediately rolls over the profits, but never the bases, meaning she does not touch the initial investment, but rolls the profits into US dollars. You can do the same. That way you can benefit from the cryptocurrency roller coaster. This information is for eDo Matrix subscribers only. Those of you who would rather invest in normalized investments can sign up for Acorns and use your spare change to create a pattern of wealth. The link is in the description, and this method works. An account of $5 a week on autopilot using spare change from your bank account creates a pattern of wealth building with unbelievable results. Once you set up your Acorns account, you can opt to invest in 12 different categories of investment, all without a broker or watching your computer screen all day, every day. The links to these investments are in the description.